In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code to your Zoho invoice. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to enhance your invoices with this modern feature. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is your portal to the settings. Click on that, and it will open up a world of customization possibilities for your invoices. Now within Settings, keep an eye out for the Sales section and click on Invoices. As you scroll down through the options available, you will come across the Invoice QR code feature. When you first encounter this feature, you'll notice that it's disabled by default. To activate it, simply toggle it on. What makes QR codes so versatile is what they can show when scanned. By default, your QR code is set to display the invoice URL. However, if you have a specific requirement, you can configure it to display a custom URL or show particular information. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll stick with the invoice URL. This is also a good opportunity to customize the QR code description to suit your business needs. Once you're satisfied with your selections, don't forget to click Save. This step ensures that all your preferences are securely applied. With that done, you can close out of the Settings menu. Next, let's go back to Settings and focus on personalizing our invoice template. Scroll down until you find the option for customization and then click on PDF templates. Verify that you're in the correct section for invoices. Scroll through, and when you find the template you're using, click on Edit. You're now in the stage where you can truly make your invoice stand out. Within the template editor, head over to the Other Details section. Here you'll find the option to show the invoice QR code. It's important to note that this option wouldn't have been visible before we toggled it on in Settings, so good job getting to this point. Once you toggle on the Show Invoice QR Code option, refresh the preview to see the changes. As you scroll down, you should see the QR code now proudly displayed on your invoice. And that's it. You've successfully added a QR code to your Zoho invoice. Isn't it simple and easy to do? With this new feature, you can provide your clients with quick access to essential information or direct them to a specific web page, all with a simple scan. Thank you for following along, and I hope you enjoy the added utility and professionalism this feature brings to your invoices.